Welcome to Conjuring Rock, where we enjoy all-season camping and fishing. Hello and welcome to Conjuring Rock. My name is Ben, and today I'm going to try and get my Level One Sea Kayaking certification. And I'm going to try and do it with the crew from Frontenac Outfitters. I also have a channel announcement that I want to make. I'll tell you about that shortly. It's pretty exciting.
Put my skirt on.
Going in.
Bye.
You're supposed to hang on to it, man.
Tell me your GoPro's at the bottom of the lake.
For real?
Oh, well. Why would you? What? His GoPro's at the bottom.
Oh, man. GoPro. Not the first. Won't be the last.
Poo.
So I put a little, I know it's a little too late, but I put a little tether on mine.
Oh, no.
So when I do silly things like that, I tie it to myself.
Good thing you don't need to buy a new Mac right now.
And then I put carabiners on.
But there goes
Footage.
all that footage too.
Yep.
Damn it. All the footy.
Go get it. Start swimming.
It's probably not
I
that,
thought he was about to go down.
Not with the PFD on.
I know.
probably not that deep here.
Yeah, it'd be straight down.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
It would sink quick, wouldn't it?
I thought you guys were kidding. Like,
No.
No, I got under there and the water hit my nose and I was just like, skirt. I just went right for the skirt. Welcome to Conjuring Rock, where we enjoy all-season camping and fishing. I was trying to film an episode for you guys today, and I had my GoPro on my head. It's not on my head. So, there's that story.
I don't want to.
And by the way, I'm Frontenac Outfitters Pro Staff now. I've been invited onto the team. So, got some pretty wicked opportunities there. And
welcome aboard.
thank you.
Rock on.
We are demonstrating an assisted rescue right now. I am trying to get my Level 1 certification for sea kayaking.
It's only about 30 feet deep here.
Give it a shot.
That's really not bad.
Get like a
That is
1 ounce jig head. And
Yeah, there you go. Start jigging.
Putting any effort in.
well, I hope you enjoyed that very quick little episode. It was supposed to be a lot longer, but that footage is at the bottom of Devil Lake. So anyways, hit that like button if you liked what you saw, subscribe to see more, and do you have a spare GoPro?